Hi everyone, welcome to another video. This is All Things Luxury and my name is Colleen. Thank you for stopping by. Today's video is just a quick unboxing. I'm doing a couple pieces that I picked up from Mango. It's a London-based designer, and I buy a lot of my suits from the Mango, and I really love the way they fit. Today I picked up a beautiful light lavender. I want to say the colors. It's just really light. Um, and I picked a short setup for the summer. It was on sale and I grabbed it. I normally don't wear short set, but I like the fact that it's a little above the knee, which you'll see picture of how I put it together. It's a little above the knee, and then it has a really nice jacket to work. Evening out, it's really date night, whatever. It's versatile and it really can really go with anything. And I love the color, number one. And also too, I tried it on. I love the fit. You guys will see how it look in this video when I post the pics. But I love the way it fits me. Normally with that specific brand designer, I always worry because in London their sizes are different, and so I always try to go up. But I bought a beautiful pink suit, and I love that pink suit, but it is a little big. It really should be smaller, and I got it in a large, and I got the pants in like a 12 or a 10, and it's still big. So I normally try to uh, balance from what I bought from them before, and see how things fit. But I really love the way this short set look. I love the fit of it, and I think it's gonna really look nice. I bought a couple of pumps for the summer. You guys see that I have a video that's dropping tomorrow, um, and you'll see those shoe that I picked up. You guys are not gonna see the red one that I picked up, but the pink and then the leopard one, you guys will see that absolutely beautiful. So those the leopard, I might rock it with that short set that I'm gonna be showing you guys, and you guys can let me know what you think of the short set. I also picked up a beautiful bomber jacket. Now, I normally in Jamaica they do a lot of bomber jacket. We like sweatsuits, we like all that stuff rocking. So they wear a lot of those jackets down there. Here, I this is actually gonna be maybe my second bomber jacket, and I it's really a beautiful color, blue for the summer. Rock that with some nice sneakers and a nice pair of jeans, or capri jeans, white, and it's gonna look so sharp. Whenever I didn't try on it, I tried on the jacket, but I didn't take a pic in it. But I wanted to wait so that I can really suit it up with some nice jeans, or even white or blue jeans, and even a pair of sneakers that I am looking at. I'm actually looking at a pair of Gucci sneakers, and I really, because of that bomber jacket, I want to get the one with the blue at the back of it, and just really dress it up, and it's gonna be sharp. And like I said, and it's gonna be just a nice weekend look, or even a Friday look at work. It's just gonna be real cute. So without further ado, let's show you the shorts. This is actually the shorts, right? So it's and I will take it out of this plastic that it came in. I tried these all on before, and so you'll see this is what I was talking about. It actually, it come a little bit above the knee, and as you can see, a little bit above the knee, and it's really comfortable. It's like a light linen, And you know, it's like a light lavender, I'll call this color. If I'm wrong, let me know. But I love the color. I think it's going to be beautiful for spring, summer, and it's just going to be it's light, so it's going to be a really nice piece to wear, because you can dress this up. I mean, it's not you can dress it up, or just a nice white tee or black tee inside, and then the shoe will just be the accessory with your bag. But I really love the way it looks. I love that it's just a little bit above the knee, and it's really sharp, and I had some really nice high heels to go with it. This is really what it looks like. And like I said, you never really know with this designer what will fit properly. This one, the waist is really loose. I mean, I like I said, I go up a size because when it comes to pants and shorts, I do not like it to be where you can't breathe. Jeans, you can get away with that. You can get away with your jeans maybe being really tight. I personally like my stuff where if I can tuck it in and really see my waist and really have that, accentuate my waist, then that's make me feel good. I really don't want it where I can't breathe, or I feel like if I eat a mint, it's gonna bust and something's gonna go awry there. So I really, when it comes to my trousers and when it comes to any kind of skirt, I like it to have a little bit of a looseness in the waist, because I love to tuck. I'm a tucker. I like to tuck everything in. I think it just, it gives you a different look. It looks sharp, it looks clean, and it makes you look put together. So I did go up a size in this only because I really was worried, and it is, you can tell that it's a little loose in the waist, but I'm okay with it. Like I said, I'm a tucker, so a black tee or a white. I paired it with a black tee, but a white tee for the summer where it'll be a little bit more lighter, and then some nice shoes. It's gonna be rocking. So that's the length of the shorts. You guys can see, and this is how it look. It has two back pocket, then the side pocket, so it's really, really sharp. I really love it. So that's what it looks like. And then the jacket is basically just the same thing. Again, the jacket sits right above it. It's not a long jacket. It is just a nice piece that sit right above the shorts. It just, like I said, it's linen. It's a light. It's really summery. So it sits right above the shorts, and just really, really work. It's a nice piece that work, and it just makes the whole thing together. Like I said, I paired it with a black tee and some nice shoes. You guys are going to see that, and it looks really sharp and really amazing. So this is the jacket. Again, this is the two piece together. But I love the color. Like I said, I maybe lilac, but I think this is like a lavender. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you think this is, I like it. I would just go light purple, but I said light, maybe a light lavender. I love it. I love the color. Like I said, this is a linen, but it's a light and really not heavy. This doesn't have any lining in it, so that's really, really cool for the summer. And this have some lining in it. So, you can see that it does. Um, this is the way it looks on the inside. So it has some lining for the jacket inside, which is really how it should be. But this is how it has a split in the back for the jacket, as you can see. And it's just really a really sharp set. So I really love it. I think that it's gonna look nice. You guys tell me what you think of the photos that I take with it and how you think it looked, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I normally do not wear shorts. I'm not a shorts girl. Even in the summer where people has on denim shorts, it's set a certain way. Yeah, no, I'm not really into shorts. I prefer a nice capri. I never was into shorts. So, so this is going to be my first short set. Well, dressy short set, I should say. I actually have a pair of denim and they had a rip where I didn't want it. And so I was like, oh, I'll cut this up for the summer and just wear it in the house when I'm doing my cleaning or whatever, doing gardening. I can wear it outside. But other than that, I do not wear shorts out in public. I don't wear it where you can see. Yeah, I don't wear shorts. So this is actually a first shorts for me. Let me know what you guys think. I really appreciate any comments you get. I have been getting comments, so I love that and I appreciate it. So let me know what you think of this piece that we picked up, and because I appreciate it. Let me show you the bomber jacket. I actually put it up there, so excuse me. All right, sorry about that. I am back. And this is the little bomber jacket here that I purchased. I tried it on. It looks beautiful. I really liked it. I think that the reason why I said I'm looking at Gucci has some really nice sneakers now, and in the back of it on the sneaker will have like light green, light bright green, I mean, and then this color and some other color, white. But I wanted to get the one with this color because I think rocking this bomber jacket with some white jeans and that sneakers, nice tee inside, it's gonna be beautiful. I really picked up some beautiful tees from Banana Republic. And so this would look really, really nice. And like I said, this is only like my second bomber jacket. In Jamaica, we actually love bomber jacket. Bomber jacket. But since I haven't really owned a lot to say the most and this one is the one that I saw at Mango and thought, as I'm skimming their website, I saw this one. It was on sale, and I said I was gonna stash it up. It's a little jacket just for the summer, spring if it's really nice outside, and then mostly summer. And then this with some, like I said, nice white jeans and that pair of sneakers is gonna be really nice. Once I get the sneaker and I put that together, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. That will be where I really dress it up and really do a video for you guys to show you how the pieces came together with the bomber jacket, because I bought a really nice pair of white jeans, and I think this with those sneakers will really look sharp with it. So once I get that, I am going to do a video where you guys can actually see the pieces coming together. Let me know what you think, like I said, in the comments about my beautiful bomber jacket. I just think it's so beautiful. I love the way it feels, and I think it's really nice. I'm going to really enjoy wearing this, like I said, with some white jeans. I might do dark jeans, but I really have my mind set on some white jeans with this, and then those Gucci sneakers. I love those Gucci sneakers. I went to the mall and I tried those, and and I keep going back and forth. So they have they have, the Gucci now has, and I think those are new platforms. I love a platform sneaker. I have one in Nike, which is the Converse, right? So I love a little bit of chunkiness because I love height. But I don't know if I would want the Gucci in that platform look. I like the flatter one better. So I try it on and I keep going back. So I'm definitely gonna pull the trigger, and then you guys are going to, because I keep putting it in my basket and then I keep going back and say, do I want the other one? But I think the flat one is the one I'm gonna stick with. And then but I'll definitely do a video. Once I get those, I'll do a video so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about and see how it looks and how I put it together. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you have a bomber jacket and how you rock it. I really appreciate that, all that feedback. But I'll definitely um, show you what I paired it together once I get everything coming. I'll let you know what it looks like. So anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my video. If you love the content, please subscribe. Please share my videos. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate any comments and like stuff that you see, and share, because really, as a new channel, I'm trying to build subscribers. So if you guys can please subscribe, and then share and hit the notification so that you can know when I drop new video. Like I said, this one is going to be ready to go, and then I have one dropping tomorrow. So, and I have a couple of new ones already there. So check those out, and then let me know what your thoughts are, and you know, like I said, share my video with your friends, your family, and subscribe, because I really appreciate everything that you guys do when you watch our videos. Like I said, new channel, trying to grow the content and grow my channel. So this right now, I'm having so much fun and I'm enjoying it so much. So please, thank you.